Hello, I hope you're all doing okay. I have got a new moisturizer in town. If today is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. So here it is. It's just a little quick hair moisturizer that I've recently been using, and I want to rave about it to you guys. Right. This moisturizer was sent to me along with a bunch of other products by subscribers of one of my subscribers. I finally make it around trying to use this up last month. Love it. So it's avocado moisturizing hair milk, right? This is, you can see I'm running out, so I need to get more of this. I love this. Let me get into a bit more what this is about. I will include a video maybe on the side if I can of how I actually use this to moisturize my cornrows. Guys, did that make sure I'm officially 6 months post relaxer? Yes, I am 6 months post relaxer. Have I done right by my hair? I don't know. There's only one way to find out. I will be touching up next week. I cannot wait. Anyway, let me get into this. It says use as a daily hair moisturizer to hydrate hair. Apply a small amount to cover hair strands. When damp or dry, can be used to seal ends and refresh coils. For added moisture, use in combination with white pony leave-in conditioner. Okay, now the nitty-gritty on this. It said no parabens, no sulfates, no paraffins, no mineral oils, no synthetic colors, no DEA, whatever the fuck that means, no animal testing. So that is the gist for all you natural. It's got to be natural hair products. So that is the crack on that. But I am loving this newly found hair moisturizer. It's not a new product. When I look her up on YouTube, it looks like she's been around a good 3-4 years. God damn it, I've got something in my eyes. Holy shit. Right, I finally got rid of whatever the hell was in my eyes. Where was I? So this product have all the natural, supposedly, ingredients to it, which is great for those obviously who want that kind of, who want to make sure their product doesn't contain any synthetic ingredient like mineral oil. Like I said before, this was sent to me by a subscriber of mine. She did not like it. I don't think it worked for her hair, and she sent me it along with a bunch of other products. So far so good. I'm loving this. So now I'm tempted to get the full line of this product and try them all out and see how I like it. But I would like you guys to let me know if you've used this product, any of this line, and do leave me a comment below and let me know how it's working for your hair. Did you like it? Did you like the leave-in conditioner? Because I plan on getting the shampoo, leave-in conditioner, and the deep treatment. Yeah, 3 more of the product I plan on getting on this. Hopefully once I relax my hair. It's not cheap. This was £13.99, and according to the label here, it said $11.99, and that looks like it's just a shop wherever she got it from. So you know yourself, you sent me this product. I don't know if you remember that this was among the products you sent. You know yourself. Thank you very much. I appreciate, really appreciate your kindness. May God bless you. So this is it. This is the product I have been loving the last 2 months. Absolutely love this leave-in conditioner hair moisturizer. So this is definitely a keeper for me. I will be holding on to this. I definitely, when I place my next order, I will be ordering more of this. So I would really like you guys to let me know. Those of you who have tried this, do let me know before I go and splash my money or something. That just because this very one work does not mean the entire line is any good. You know the gist. I usually like to try product by the leave-in conditioner or a hair moisturizer like this one, then I get hooked. Then I'm tempted to try the whole line, which in the end, more than half of the time, I end up realizing I should have just stick with just the leave-in or just the conditioner and just you know, move on with that. So, but I'm tempted. So I'm loving this new product. Like I said, it's not new product per se, but it is new to my hair journey. I have a clip there on the side on how I apply it on. Like I said before, I am now 6 months, officially 6 months post relaxer, and my new growth is doing its thing. So I've just finished moisturizing it not long ago. Yeah, I can't wait to take this cornrow down in 3 days time. So even though I said I am touching up next week, do you guys know I have officially run out of neutralizing shampoo, my Perfective Mega Growth neutralizing shampoo that I usually use. I think I used it up last time on somebody, which was a while ago, and I haven't replaced it, so I need to order that online ASAP. So this cornrow haven't seen the light of day, but hey who, touch up next week. I cannot wait to see if all the work I put in the last, look at gray, just popping out. They're just popping out anywhere. They're just popping out. So anyway, guys, this is it, guys. This is the new moisturizer that I'm loving lately. Do let me know. Leave me a comment below. If you've not subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe. Okay, let's get this channel, you know, to 1K. That would be lovely. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your, you know, sticking by this channel and sticking by me with my craft videos, you know. So thank you all so much. Something else I wanted to add was the baby powder video. Oh my god, that is unbelievable. I'm getting so many comment back, DMs coming through. People are seeing results using baby powder the night before they touch up their hair, and I cannot believe. I knew it worked. I'm aware I produced that. That is my shit. You know, I invented it, if that makes any sense. Use it on myself for a while. Use it on my sister, which she have dandruff. She battled with extreme dandruff case. So it worked really well for her, and it has been working for me. So that's why I made that video, to show you guys more or less what is the crack on it. But it's really good to see somebody else other than myself and my sister actually trying it, and it is working for them. I'm so pleased for you guys, and I appreciate you getting back to me, commenting back on the video. I said I tried it, it worked, you know, thumbs up, you know, happy all around. So I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased with myself. So thank you all so much for your feedback. I'm gonna leave this video here for now. Next time we'll be talking about anything to do with hair or my hair. It will be my relaxer touch up update. It will be, you know, my second and last relaxer touch up of 2020. I cannot wait. I don't know about you guys. I'm so excited. I will see you guys on the next one. Okay, ciao ciao.